In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glitch effect to texts in Canva. If you want a fast, eye-catching way to give your words a digital, distorted vibe, this is one of the simplest effects you can use. Start by opening your project in Canva and head to the page that contains the text you want to style. Click once on the text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box with resize handles around your text. This matters because the next option only appears when a text box is active. With the text selected, look for the Effects button in the toolbar. It typically sits near the top of the editor alongside options like font, size, and color. Click Effects, and a panel will open on the left side of your screen. This panel shows different text treatments you can apply. Find the one labeled Glitch and click it. The moment you choose Glitch, you'll see your text change right on the canvas, and the controls for this effect will appear so you can fine-tune the look. Now, let's adjust it. Start with Offset. Think of offset as the amount of separation between the main text and its displaced, glitched layers. A low offset gives a subtle shimmer, while a higher offset makes the split more dramatic. Move the slider slowly and watch the preview update in real time so you can land on a look that stays readable. Next is Direction. This sets the angle at which the glitch components shift away from the original text. Horizontal directions feel like a classic TV interference, while diagonal angles can add a more dynamic, edgy feel. Try a couple of directions and see which one complements your layout and the mood of your design. Finally, choose the color for the displaced layers. Picking a color that contrasts with your background will make the effect stand out. If your brand uses specific colors, select one of those so the effect looks intentional and on brand. On darker backgrounds, bright accent colors pop. On light backgrounds, slightly darker tones keep things crisp. As you adjust, keep an eye on legibility. Large headings and short titles tend to handle heavier glitch settings well, while smaller text often benefits from a lighter touch. If anything feels too intense, simply bring the offset down or switch directions for a cleaner result. And remember, you can return to the Effects panel anytime to tweak these settings later. That's it. Your text now has a polished glitch effect in Canva. Simple, flexible, and perfect for intros, thumbnails, and bold callouts.